Hello friends, I welcome you back to our channel video today on Chima dedicated video channel. Now in this video I want to show you a newly launched earning system platform. This is for all my subscribers and those who are visiting those channel for the first time. So I'm going to encourage you to pay attention to what I'm going to do. This is just a kind of introductory video. I'm still going to make a lot of videos on how to deposit and how to withdraw. Everything you're going to be your question. And remember, the way I do it, I will still drop my WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me for further questions. And I'm going to drop the link to sign up so that you can sign up to and start doing it. But watch this video to the end. And don't forget to also read through the description part of this video to get every other information you need to know. So all you need to do is to get the link to sign up. So you click a link like this. Now just watch. It's going to open up like this. It says translate page. In case it's not showing in your own language, so you can click on translate to your own language. But if you're an English speaker, you can see English is already here. You can click inside that drop down menu to change your language. Do you understand? And just make sure that you understand the system. Now, if you look at this place, because I'm definitely conversing from Nigeria, so the system could capture my IP address, and that's why it's seeing this. So wherever you are, you're going to see yourself. Then this, you put your phone number, put your password, your login password. This is the referral code. So this is the code of the person referring you. If in case you joined without this, definitely there may be need for you to ask for the referral code to put here. And it's very important. Now, this is already checked. I accept and do that. The gray capture is there. So what you need to do is to drag this thing here to just drag it to this where you have that circle. And it will show exactly that point. You now click on create account. Now, if you're also looking for the app, it's better you download the app here, but make sure you register. You can download this app later. Don't go to Play Store looking to download app. Don't do that. Always download app from the system, because scammers will always recreate a new app that resembles and get your information and now log into the main app and claim everything about from you. So always do to download, but register first before you start doing this. So once you are done this, you are going to find yourself in the interface you are going to see right now. So once you sign up, you're going to find yourself here now. So you're going to be seeing this deposit, withdraw, invite, rewards. I'm going to show you all of this. Now, question is, what do you do here to make money? You have to, first of all, become a VIP member, choosing your VIP packages, the package you want to go with. So there are so many of these packages. And so you make a choice of the one you want. We have the VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, 4, 5, 6, so many of them. So anyone you choose, all you need to do is click on deposit. I'll still prepare a special video on how to do deposit so you can understand it. You can see that I'm already on G1, that's VIP 1. And the VIP 1 is the cheapest, which is 22,000 Naira in Nigerian Naira. So when you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw and follow the process. A withdrawal minimum is 2,000 Naira. Do you understand? And then 10% charge. So if you withdraw 2,000, you'll be getting around 1,800, and it's usual. If you want to invite people to join you so you can make more money, please, this is where you click to get your invitation link. So now reward, I'm going to click on this for you to see what is there. Just pay attention. So this is rewards, other rewards you have for inviting. Invite 3 persons, you earn 3K and all that. So many of this. Now let me quickly go back to all of this. Let's go back to home page. Now, what are the tasks you do each day? The number of tasks you do each day depends on the level you are. If you're a free member, which lasts only for 2 days, so there's no need being there, or if you are level 1 like I am, you only have 2 tasks every day. And each of these tasks gives you, the 2 of them gives you a total of 734 Naira per day. Now let's view all of this. These are some of the tasks also you carry about. These ones, I'm going to explain that later. You can see I've been able to carry out my 2 tasks for today. So I've earned this. It's 100%. Make sure you do that every single day. Now, let's look at orders. That is the order I've completed. Look at the benefit chart. Now look at it. This is where you now see the different packages. Now you have G1, 22,000, 2 orders daily, earning you 357 per 367 per order. So total of 34. Now level 2 is what's 8,000 naira. So just like that, choose the package you can run with. Just get started with one and you are good to go. You can see where it's well listed out here. 22,000. Level 2 is 8,000. Level 3 is 352,000. Level 4 is 1.2 million. Level 5 is 4.2. Level 6 is 15 million. Level 7 is 52.5 million. Level 8 is 210 million. Level 9 is 735 million naira, and all that. The deposit contract is valid for 1 year and will be automatically renewed upon maturity. You can see it. So this is a deposit and all you earn. So you can take your time once you join to go through all of this to see more of the benefit chart. This is where you see your team members on that team page. So if you have team members now, they show here, and your earnings from your team members are here. So from that team page, you're going to copy your invitation link. If you click on this invite, you're going to see both, just watch, you're going to see both your invitation code, that is this, as well as your invitation link, a copy link to share to your friends so they can join you. Under me, your profile page, that's where you're going to see also everything about you here. You can see it, your ID and all that. So anytime maybe you're conversing with customer service, it's okay, what's your ID? This is what you present and click to get your ID. So you can see VIP benefits, you can check everything here, invest and finance, withdrawal account, login password, all that, detailed bills, and where you can now download app. Please, that's why I said don't download while you are doing that. This is where you can now click to download the original app from the system. So all you need to do is what? Get started. And the task you do is not a very difficult task. Let me show you again. Most of these tasks is all about you are asked to verify something. You might see a number might be written. It's okay, rewrite that number. Or a list of items might be posted. That's okay. Choose the one that, you know, is like it's an animal among all those items. If there are 2, there are 3, you'll be able to click to show you know it. You're not a robot. That's the test. You click on verify. You end that particular task. Very, very simple task. So that's how it goes. Whatever other question you have, please use the comment box or you reach out to me on WhatsApp and I'm going to guide you the more. So I'm going to encourage you to start with what you know you have. Don't go out there borrowing. Just start trusting that it's little by little you build it. Remember, withdrawal is minimum of 2,000. You can always make that and withdraw. And the list of this is 22,000 naira. Share this video with others when you have joined. If you want to join, use my link. And don't forget to reach out if you have further questions. If you are new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. You always get stuff that benefits you so much on this channel. I wish to stop at this moment. Thanks for watching.